Good day, my name is Oluwakayode Jasanya. I'm here to explain the assignment 5. It's an assignment in pulse width modulation. And pulse modulation is a type of digital sound used in a variety of applications such as robotics. It's used to control, we can use the signals to control the speed of motors, and there's a high voltage, there's a low voltage state. And we were we're told to write a program to generate a PWM pulse width modulation signal. We're told to ask the user to enter the signal period to greater than 0, duty cycle greater than 0, and everything. So basically, we're told to have a kind of project that when this that models this kind of instruction. So the user can enter this and then continue, and yeah, then get different value for high and low. And if he wants to return or start the same stuff, you can press Y. If not, you can press N for yes or no. So this is the C file for or C project for it. So I declared I defined underscore CRT secure no warning. This is so I can use scanf to reduce or to avoid having to, because the compiler would give an error that use scanf underscore s, so it's secured. But just to remove those just to remove the just to stop the compiler from saying those, you can just define CRT secure no warning. I also put my other libraries, just put in as much libraries I believe would be useful. stdio time.h. Then I declared my a variable called sleep, then unsigned int. Then I created a main this is my main this is the main function. So in the main function, I declared my variables, all this here. Then I created a do while loop. This now you see two do while loops. One they serve two purposes. The first one, this first do while stops here. So it says do this. So make sure you ask the user to enter the input of the period to enter the input to input the period while this condition is satisfied. The other while this is satisfied, or while all this are satisfied. Then the third while all this is satisfied. So those three were for each of this here. From here, yeah, each of this here, like this first three. So and whenever the user doesn't enter those like within that range, it gives an error. Then the other one is this is just so that you can repeat the question again if you want to. Now let's run this. Like to yes. So here is the terminal. Okay, now enter the period. Let's say 30. Enter the duty cycle. Now I'm going to try something very funny now. Let's say I enter -8. It's going to give an error. So it says error duty cycle mode be between 1 and 100. So now I have to enter a number between that. 5. Enter the duration, let's say 20. And we start seeing some different high and low values. So it keeps on recording until